us a very happy Teachers' Day to all the wonderful teachers of Pravegaa Education.
This day is special because it gives us opportunity to express our gratitude and respect for the teachers who guide us every day.
We are very grateful to get the golden opportunity to learn from the expert faculties like Atul sir, Alok sir and Kunal sir.
Your wisdom, your dedication, and your kindness will always be a lead us to for the right path and always inspire us for the better human being, for the better future for us.
For me especially, a teacher's guidance, his faith in students, which builds the self-belief and self-confidence among the students, his motivation towards life and way of living, their experiences and suggestions do wonders for me. So, thank you for all the motivation to be prepared for the worst and tackle any situation in the examination.
Thank you, teachers, for your guidance and moral support to us. Thank you.
Thank you for being the teachers who inspire hopes, ignite the imagination, and develop the love of learning.
Thank you, teachers, for everything, and once again, a very happy Teachers' Day.